You're constantly busy, but somehow getting nowhere. Some habits are so quiet that you only notice them when they become a full-blown explosion. Let's unpack them together. Scrolling. Who doesn't? There's if I'll just scroll for 5 minutes before studying, and then 2 hours disappears. An assignment is due tomorrow, a test on Monday, but who cares? Your brain is now full of TikTok dances and memes. And it's not just time, like seeing everyone else post out their grades, their projects, their perfect lives, while you're just here trying to survive one paragraph. You think you work well under pressure, but really, that thing is just stress pretending to be productivity. Assignments, notes, studying, all crammed up into one night. And you know what happens? You remember like 10% of what you read, sleep for maybe 3 hours, and your brain basically says, "Good luck, bro. You're gonna have to survive the rest of today without me, bro. I'm taking my leave." A real life story. Last semester, I had to read a 35-page PDF for an exam, which was the night before. But I kept telling myself, I'm gonna scale through this. I ended up crying silently at 3 a.m. Don't be like me, bro. Break task into small chunks. Even 30 minutes a day actually feels better than working a whole night in despair and stress. Saying yes to everything. Please escort me, let me go get drinks. Yes. Let's hang out tomorrow. Yes. Please help me write these 10 pages notes. Yes. You want to feel included, like you are a part of everything. But here's the thing. Every yes you say to something that is not important is stealing time away from what actually matters. If it does matter, believe me, it won't drain you of your mental energy. Instead, it's always rewarding. Ignoring yourself, skipping good meals, forgetting to drink water. I know you're someone that's always guilty of this very one. You know yourself. Sleeping 3 to 4 hours each night. If you're telling yourself, I can power through this, but your brain and your body doesn't work like that. Eat good food as much as you can eat. Sleep moderately at least twice a week. No matter how packed your schedule is, get out of that damn dark room and walk your ass out. At least 10 minutes a day. Honestly, these things to an extent keep you sane, flying blind, not tracking your work. Just hope you remember assignments. And then one day, bam, 3 assignments are due tomorrow. Exams back to back. You panic. A simple tip: make a checklist. It doesn't have to be all fancy. Even writing what you did today and what you're gonna do next. That gives your brain this space to breathe. So, these habits are quite sneaky, very destructive. However, they are fixable. You just take them one at a time. Take care of your health, track your work, and survive easier.